You want a tip on how to get your house smelling fantastic and crunchified clean? Check it out. Use the same all-purpose cleaner that you would to mop your floors to also clean your counters or your cabinets and give it a nice deep clean. Having the same similar scent when you're cleaning just makes your house smell even better. And this scent, Blue Volcanic, oh my God. If you love fresh floral clean, check out my link down below, but watch the rest of this video. I'm going to give you some tips on how to make your Blue Volcanic concentrated cleaner into an amazing all-purpose spray cleaner, and you can mop your floors with it as well. Smells crunchified clean. Crunchified clean, friends. And let me tell you, it smells so good. Blue Volcanic. Get Blue Volcanic. Use my link down below. Trust me, you're going to love it. So then I grab this little bottle. I put the solution that's already pre-mixed now with the water, and I use that for cleaning and dusting and wiping down cabinets. Oh my God, it smelled so good. So good, so good. Use my link. Crunchified clean. I love this purchase off the TikTok shop. Use my link down below and grab yourself a bottle too.